Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make this bracelet. The diamond is 4 millimeters, and the bead is 1.5 millimeters. You need a thread about 1.6 millimeters, and a thread under 0.15 millimeters. 4 beads and 2 diamond. Pass 2 sets of beads to the end of the thread. Pass it back and cut it off. Pass through the 4 beads. Add 5 beads and a loop. Wear to this position. Add 2 sets of seed bead and diamond bead. This will be the same every time. Pass the 4th and 5th beads from this position. Repeat the operation to the desired length. Add 5 beads and a closing ring. Make a loop, find a place to tie it up and tie it up a few more times in different places. Open the loop and connect the 2 ends to complete it. You can make it longer and make it look better. Hope you enjoy it. Take care.
Bye.